This is the vomit test. We've ground up all these things from Christine and Sarah's cupboards, and yeah, this is what's in it. We have water, Coke, salt, malt vinegar, vanilla flavoring, mayo, peanut butter, syrup, garlic powder, roasted garlic, soy sauce, hot peppers, hot dogs, yellow mustard, olive oil, ketchup, and chips. So yeah. Oh, and a rotten banana. Yum. That's the end result. This is the end result. The beautiful vegetable thing, although there is no vegetables in it. It is mostly nasty shit and condiments. And this is Chanel's puke bucket. Bye!
I haven't started yet.
Yeah.
Now it started.
Guys, I'm gonna throw up.
There's a puke bucket.
You want to drink the whole thing?
Oh, shit.
I cannot drink.
You don't have to drink it all, Chanel.
Just about a quarter of it.
Just take another sip. Just
You try to drink it.
okay, Rachel, why don't you try it?
It's too good for it.
Chanel, you don't have to drink it if you don't want to.